push it back down. But William push it back down.
Why would you push it back down?
Because William is going to be, because it's cold.
Oh, it's cold. So that's right. They'd have to close the garage door when it's cold.
William has to push it back down when it's really cold.
That's right. And then what will you do when it's warm?
It will open.
Yeah.
Why did I put it on the little, when I take it off?
Take what off?
The Band-Aid.
Your Band-Aid? Is your finger feeling better?
Where's the two?
Oh, there's a Band-Aid on Mama's phone to hold it together.
And there's William.
That's right. We both have Band-Aids. How's your finger feeling?
Good.
Oh, good.
When I take it off.
You can if you want, or you can leave it on. It's up to you.
Do you want to do it?
I will help you if you want, or you can leave it on if you want. If you just like to look at it, that's okay too. Who is on your Band-Aid?
Thomas.
Yeah, Thomas the Train. And who else?
James.
Okay.
There's James.
Oh, is he underneath Thomas?
Want to see him?
That might be tricky. I mean, have to put your Band-Aid on some larger part of your body. Like your arm or something. Or on the tray of the high chair.
One it off.
Okay.
Where do we want
All right.
to put it back?
Here, let's say.
Two on it.
Okay, well, let's say goodbye to the camera, okay?
Bye-bye.
Do you want to say any last things to the camera about garage doors?
Garages don't go up and down when the garages were going up, and then one will be like a garage depends on
Garage.
to the.
Mm-hmm.
Now we will swing into the bin. Then we will drop the garage door. And then it will be one left, and we will do it again. Then there's no more garages after.
Is that like a monkeys jumping on the bed version? Is that 3 little garage doors jumping on the bed?
They were falling off, and then one will flash into the gold garage door of the magnet that ones. And then it will be like a motor. And then we will look inside if there was going to be one. Mom, then look at the hot chocolate. Can I make hot chocolate?
We can make hot chocolate. But let's definitely say goodbye to the camera because goodbye. Do you want to wave? Do you want to wave to the camera?
Bye.
Do you want to wave? Bye.
Bye.